In today's video, we're talking about home detention. Many people will be charged with crimes. They'll be considering taking a plea deal that may involve jail time, and they'll be wondering if they can serve their time at home. Can they go into home detention rather than spending that time in jail? And they'll be asking us, why doesn't my court allow for that? Why can't I do that in this particular court? I've heard that other courts can. The long and short of it is, it's really just politics. It really comes down to laws. It comes down to how these laws were implemented and how they're being interpreted and what politicians are taking action and what the politicians are not. In Maricopa County, the Maricopa County Board of Supervisors is responsible for setting up home detention, and thus far they just haven't done it. It's been talked about a lot. We thought that it was in the works for some time, but really we just haven't seen it. So if you're charged with a crime out of a Maricopa County Justice Court or a Superior Court, they don't have home detention because the politicians, the Board of Supervisors, the people in charge just haven't implemented it yet. Many people say it's because of the politics, it's because of fees. It's more expensive to go to jail. They collect more fees from you rather than home detention. Some people say it has to do with this tough on crime persona. Some people say it has to do with illegal immigration or undocumented immigrants coming into Arizona. If they are sent home rather than jail, that doesn't give ICE the opportunity to put an immigration hold or take them out and deport them. And so there's a lot of different moving parts. It's arguable as to what the actual reason is. It could just be because it's a bureaucratic problem, but there's a lot of moving parts there, and the real answer is it just boils down to politics. They just haven't done it yet. This is why it's important to get involved in the elections coming up, to vote for county attorney and vote for different people in the criminal justice system who may be able to push this through. There are many, many cities in Arizona that actually do authorize home detention. So you can be in one city, and if you're stopped and cited for a crime, if you're punished or penalized for that and that requires jail time, you can serve that time at home. But if you're just a couple streets over or on a freeway instead, and you get cited into a justice court, there's no home detention because the Maricopa County Board of Supervisors hasn't done it yet. So unfortunately, there's very little that we can do as defense attorneys. A lot of this is discretionary. Prosecutors and judges, they are operating under the laws of the statutes, and those statutes say that the Board of Supervisors is responsible for approving this so that the courts can implement them on their own, which many of the cities have done. So as I said, get involved in your politics. Make sure that you're supporting the right candidates. If you have any questions about that, of course, we have a lot of opinions on that. But make sure that you're getting involved so that we can help change this. It really makes no sense to me for some people to be able to serve their time at home and others to be forced to go spend it in jail. If you're considering whether you should bring legal counsel on board to help you through this process or to help analyze this question, maybe it's possible for us to keep you out of jail altogether. But if you're considering potentially going to jail, give our office a call. We can walk you through it. We can tell you whether we've gotten home detention in your court before, whether it's possible or not. But more importantly, we can see if we can help you avoid it altogether, see if we can keep you out of jail and make those criminal charges go away. We offer free case evaluations. Give us a call. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks for watching.